To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, they ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above the means. Spliffing at the left and on the beering at the right. Why not she above
Because
for me right? Cause she know the kids them
and you may just have to find them.
my
Well, want to tell us all them beat Jody, and now she missing. You can't find her.
So that affect me.
Mama, your family saying if you know what.
Hey, let me tell you this. Me done with family. Me and Uno no family. Me done with all of Uno. From Amanda come straight back down cause against the family of crosses.
So if you done with your own blood. So where they go put on the blood and go take up water and walk with water.
It's better me walk with water than me walk with blood. We always hurt me.
When you walk with the water and the water sink you, don't call for the blood to lift you up.
Me no want the blood.
But me just start telling little Susu say Jody miss her right now, you know. Cause I see after them beat her 3 days time she go missing. Me I wonder if the people that beat her come back for her.
You know say you mix up?
You just know that?
You not change.
No.
You need to go in a church. Listen to
Church
me.
don't want to see me.
As a matter of fact, I don't know chatting with you now. Don't take your time going where you go and make me go and make me go.
Oh, so me I have strength for the say one sister take it on you and an idiot and slave. And I have no sense. Matter of fact, go on your business but you go done with family. And done with family because family first done with the moment your sister turn you and me you do.
Jody, were you there? When you get that messenger, please call me and call me right away. Come in know what I go on 3 days now you're gone. Me still go buy the damn tissue. Eh? Make me have to go a river go wash out because no water now up at the yard. And you know all of these. Yeah man, so just make sure you call me when you reach in. Mom no. For this one now.
How much money will you take from you down at the shop? $100.
So $100.
So oh you gonna tell Puppy Dan how much me borrow money from you? Me did borrow money from you? Me not just tell us say give me $100 to make me go in the shop go pay me bill. You go get it back. Eh? Remember say me promise you this. I gonna tell Jody say you in the shop that woman daughter day.
Go tell her, find her for me, come here look for her right now and nobody can find her.
Me
You know
can't
here?
tell her.
Eh?
Me did a talk to her this morning.
Who the talk to this man? You lying,
You
man.
know when they know?
You know when they, yeah? Yes, that's why.
me never want to tell her say you in the shop lady daughter day. Me just sit down come up here come clear your ear.
Cough off of my chest. Because I don't understand why you feel like say you can't come up here now with your rubbish and I come mix up. Nobody can find Jody. So if Jody talk to you, that means are you? Hey, you want to tell you this?
And me?
You
Me not
responsible
hear
for
say shit
anything.
up over your yard.
Who shit up? Me no
You.
shit up. Me just never have no
So
tissue.
you just never notice you. Jody run we gonna left with next man. You try to know that. Because you don't want to turn Christian and go with another man.
Move.
Me
Move
go
first. Move first. Move first. Move to my space. Go to
The
my space.
truth hurt though.
When me say truth hurt.
The truth
And
hurt.
that's why when Amanda when I deal with it that way there, you deserve it. Because here you come with that rubbish now, come show off pan with the $100.
Amanda fi deal with me. So.
What you mean? Because look how you are going.
No, you tell lie for me so me borrow how much money from
Me
you.
tell lies to me
Yeah,
borrow.
you
Me not
say
tell
Puppy
nobody.
Dan so me borrow how much money from you.
You sure?
Listen, Puppy Dan come over me and talk about how me worthless. And me this and that I borrow money from you. Me say me no borrow no money from uncle. $100 and give me. Someone know how me borrow money from you.
You see, mix up life, me not live.
Are you put
Big
yourself
up
in a
yourself,
mix
gentleman.
up?
Me no like mix up life. And you see, you know with a mix up self, you see that's why God, whoa, God know everything best.
Oh no, hey. No call pan God ya so.
So for call pan.
You no call pan God ya so. You hear?
And one thing me I tell you.
Wow.
You see that what is upon me? You see that that $100 where you give me? You are gonna remember it. You are gonna get somewhere and wish you have that $100. Come on, you know why they mix up thing with the $100?
Listen. Me go wish some me.
You can't have a chat.
Me go wish some me miss that $100.
Yeah, you go wish.
You're mad. You mad.
I'm here to tell you. When you see me, you don't see me. You understand?
Me not care if I want to cut me off now.
Cancel me as family with you. That is simple. That.
Listen.
Don't touch me neither.
Listen.
You don't touch me.
Listen, I don't care if I want to cut me off because me done cut you off long time.
Well,
Long time me cut you off.
big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Me no want nothing to do with family.
So hold on, you really talking to Joe this morning or joke you me?
Of course we talk to Jody this morning.
You call Jody on your phone?
Yeah.
I treat you know we can't find Jody.
And me talk to her on the phone.
Alright, boss.
So why you and Jody in that you can hear from Jody 3D?
You know what you said, everything good.
Me not for myself.
Yo, me there say no one peaceful zone here, just come and go cloud up the place. All the sun gone. Hey, leave me place. Leave me space.
Listen, no can't take out the
Leave me
woman
space.
stress for me.
Me not take out no woman
Are you
stress.
right?
I am just saying, just leave. You tell me what you want to tell me, you give me back my money.
So,
now
uncle,
your time for cut.
So uncle,
I don't mean your uncle no more.
uncle, what going over here there what day? Me no hear say girl come for beat a woman.
You mix up to the highest degree. You're late and lazy. Go on, leave.
Eh?
You know what left me, you left.
Yeah, man. Club did hot last night, girl. What you talk about? You want to see all them big body girl? Yo, brother. Anyone who get them girl, they come, man. Brother, I don't need to send them back.
Evelyn.
Watch out, me talk to you later, here. I'll go on.
Me there.
Hold on, there. Sometimes I have to wonder if me have no real friends around me. Cause me never see it at my club. What happened? Me never see you show your face yet, girl. Much as you put a foot in the club. What happened?
So that make you think if you have real friend around you?
Yeah, girl, cause me never see you come support me yet. Not even 1,000.
But
No, me you not do. And I like say, donkey jaw breaks in your face. Look how much man there club you can buy your things.
listen, you know say me dey go up on a break with my work to take care of my sister. So that me have to use up all of my money for my sister right now. Me not have no money at all.
That not say.
What you mean that not say?
That not say, girl. You could have still show your face all if you not have no money. Cause whole heap of man there at club. You know
But
that sweet me right now if you come wind up all the body in there and make how much money in my club. You know that sweet me right now.
But you know, see at night time mostly me staying with my sister. And that's why I'm sorry about that. But me promise you some me come one night.
Your sister how much?
My sister a big woman.
Big man, but she how much?
In her 20 hour.
In her 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah, spend up money for big old 20-year-old, 20-year-old.
Because of accident she did meeting her, somebody did
Accident.
look about her. And I like say she have nobody else to look about her.
Accident, she can't walk.
Well, that what I thought. She couldn't walk, but she can walk.
She could walk, but she can walk. Not like how that sound, my friend.
She did that trick me.
Trick you?
Yes.
You're nasty, so yeah, man. Your blouse and skirt, yo. She fi trick you 100 times.
You really
So,
said
me I tell her as a real friend, she should have trick you 100 times. Cause you put your all in that girl lay. I know this is for me, this is your sister, you know, but you know, for a longer time, my sister, from me see your sister, my sister, she want a little problem. I want a little liar. And he look thief too.
Well, me no nothing. Well, me not swear fear because if she tell lies, if she sick for how much week and something, then she must have thief.
See it? You could have in my club. Girl, right now my club are run hot, you know.
I lie.
Girl, amount of money me make one night, girl. And last night, hey, you want to see some girl? Cause my friend, what the boy name again? The boy we know from high school.
Who that?
That's John. John carries some girl from town.
You too lie, you know, I must see, I could have sit down for this and mix
girl,
up.
sit down on the ground. A joke. No, sit down yet, man. No, sit down. I say, girl, John carries some girl from town. A girl there run.
Like an English pound?
What and clean. A man just a dash money, so dash money.
Yeah.
And he just a dash money for me and I say, Mama, you have to bring back the girl down here. So right now, just organize some room. Then can see it. That me depend right now. So I want to sit down in the house. I mind to go to the area for them business.
That's a word for me, man. Because I don't see me
business. But sit down, sit down. For now, just saying, if you need, because support me thing, girl. If I even want toes, if you not money, just come. Let me just say, really appreciate your friend business. Just come, girl. You know, if you stay some man.
Stop going some man. That's what me have sister.
So what am I friendly do?
Yeah. You know, so me come here to tell you about one of my cousins. I'm going to get my cousin. Puppy Dan. My cousin Puppy Dan. Saying like you. Yeah, but me I tell him, said, you white type of girl, I know say a hot girl for your hair and nails and toe. They have to always the pine.
But I'm not that alone too. Remember, I spend more on dirty money, you know. So him better have money.
Like me tell him.
His money better tall than my money. And that me I talk about. So. You like me say I have money, because me have a friend for a longer time and you can tell me the truth.
Yeah, man, your money.
Money tall.
Tall. Go on, some man, me tell us because I have money.
See, at that more here, boy. But you know, so I'm single. So.
I know, so when we can make a link, so we can link up. And
girl, if I want to tell him, not even tell him. I don't have a problem.
You're too desperate.
I swear to God, man. Once he money tall.
I'm going to talk to him.
He no sickness.
No sickness.
Like, you know, so man.
No, not
they
like
have
that.
Gonorrhea, they have AIDS and them. Because you know, so some man, they just come into your sweet, but sometimes anybody is sick and me can't manage the sickness.
I'm a cousin, but in clean like that. A good boy. A good bright night single, about 2 months. I like about 2 years now.
So how long me single for?
No, how long I single for? How long I single for?
1 year.
But those 2 and a match.
Because I just can't bother with a relationship right now. The relationship them nowadays, they're too stressing, toxic, everything in one. But anyways, if I want to tell him that even I can't just make sure say money tall.
Tell him, man,
and that me I worry about the money.
Oh yes, sir. Your friend got your back.
We will find love later.
I know. But anyway, I go differently though.
Yeah man, want jump up on the call. Cause me I tell him we set up something till I reach.
Yeah man, I know so you're a business woman, so go and hungry or bangry, you know?
Alright,
later, yeah man.
Yeah man.
Oh, and another thing. It's like when I get fired from work. If I want a bartender, just call me number. Here, me available.
You serious?
Big talk.
No, you're talking, girl. Because me didn't know say you would have up to the thing there, but that's good. That's very good. Because sometimes myself can't bother for the at the place there. Me not tell no lie. Sometimes I want to go wind up for me body. Me can't bother for the run out counter for true. So.
But yeah man, for real.
Yeah, when me at the one, me just can't bother sometimes. But that is so good. See it? What are friends for?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, later. Yeah. Hello. Make sure say you know the right thing till me come back in because anybody if they self up there so me a fire no. What's when me get new bartender? Hey, no ramp with me, you know. Oh. Nonsense. Oh, sir. Come like so them people are sick in the head or sitting. Look on the back of them throw down. Yo, you see, wait until the girl come in and fire me and fire the girl there, you know. Oh, I come like I don't know who me be, you know. Feel like I play around with the thing. Huh?
Hello.
Is who you talking to like that? Am I talking to like that?
Me not come
And that's what I'm saying, no?
Me not come yourself in the argument. I want work me a look.
What is in John shop? Hey, listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, even if me dey give a work, more the give. You know why? You see the things that me are in the street where you go on with and we are dear sister. Me and you now have no work relationship. You hear me? I say, are you not here?
Why you hear me a go on with the nice street? Come
Listen, me not have to explain where you go on with nice street and we are dear sister. I want thing me I make you know. Me not give no work, cause you can do me certain things and get away with it. Cause some things I would have deal. You would want to know here.
Alright then, young miss.
Hello! No call me no young miss.
Oh, so you're old.
Me a big woman, me bigger than you.
Anyways, me never come yourself in a bag of lecturing. Stills. Me only come yourself to ask you work. You don't say you're not giving me this, so I'm going to take my leave. Me not in the bag of... Me not in the bag of...
No, and listen to me too. You see, when I come to look work, come classy. Come classy, girl.
Me not come classy, me just come in with me.
You see my bartender them have to classy. You can't come in no man shots and a wall up down yourself like you feel like you're a man, wanna be man. You're not man, you're a woman. God never gave the long sin underneath your foot. God gave you a home. So how you coming at me here and come talk about how? Yeah.
Alright, just stop
Yeah,
about how
work.
me dress. You don't say that give me work.
Come on,
I get myself out of here.
Come on.
Your yard, you really look like your yard for true.
Sweep, not like come sweep out some girl for out of here. Come out of my yard.
How did that do money?
You know what you play with. Eh? You know who you play with.
Yo, go look at life.
Are you figure look at life and I see me have life, girl. Look at
your
this.
bar walk clean.
Look at
go
this.
clean a bar, man.
This is life. Money is life too. And who you girl? Hungry belly girl. Nah beard girl. Shitta bush girl. Hey girl. Me no have it done here, you know. Me no have it done here like gun. You look at herpes looking. Hey girl. Hey, me no. You know what? It's alright. It's alright.
They say that won't make it if they can't get full control. They say that won't make it.
I go and big sis. I'm glad me see her, so me not have to call. Sister, you me I talk to. Anyways, I come to apologize for everything. Everything what me do, even though, yeah, I kind of one thing, but come to apologize for everything.
And me a talk to?
I know myself.
I could never me after all what you done. You come in this yard and come talk to me? As what?
Your little sister?
No. I disown your friend in night, I push you out of this house, yeah.
You know
So if I like you, take your time, turn around and walk one.
You know the reason why me even do it?
Why you do it, Amanda?
Let me tell you why me do it. When me did dip on my foot, you never know me. It was just you work, you come home, eat, sleep, take care of them in which me not really business about that because of your job.
Can I ask you a question? Are you working? You work?
That's the thing, we're not working. I am not.
Okay. So listen to me talk. So you must expect say somebody have to work to provide in our house. Eh? Everything where you eat, out for money and yam. Nothing me. Eh? So how you have a problem with me not giving you attention while you yam me money? Hmm?
The attention still needed. But anyways, me not really go there so still. Me only come here so for see y'all put me out in a rain, me all sick out. Anyways, me only come over here to apologize. That's all. And we could have really appreciate if you could have accept my apology.
So you apologize to me? When?
I hit me a child but I not take no talk.
Alright, talk.
Sis.
Ah! The blood of Jesus again, so get up right from. Remove this Satan from hey! Don't ramp with me.
Stop me a Satan now.
Don't ramp with me. No touch me.
Fine. I won't touch you. And me never really come over here so to beg for nothing. Me only come for apologize.
So go on now.
This not gonna work. This literally not gonna work because my talking I go in vain. You're not even listen to what me I say. You see what me I talk about? You see what me I talk about? You know what me I can go with? Because if me even have to sell my money for a road to survive, that me I go do.
That's your choice, not my choice. Me not sell this.
You know what? Fine. Have it your way, I'll have it mine. I can't go my business.
And then I want me to forgive you. Eh? Come harder than
Then
that, mama.
if
go
me
on
come,
hey,
so
leave
nice.
me yard. Leave me yard. As a matter of leave me yard. May I give you 10 if you left me
You
yard.
realize me never come and say no.
Me yard.
Okay, a badness here push. A badness here push. Alright, fine, me gone about my business. I'm a matter of fact, me start me even come in your yard.
If you ever make me start count.
Count no? Count. Actually, I'm a big sister and I respect you.
Come out of me
I
yard.
can't go about my business. True, I'm a big sister. I can't go about my business. You alright?
But you come to apologize. Apologize to me. Me do that stuff for you?
Jody?
What happened now?
What you mean say what happened now? Where you there from 2 days ago, girl? From Senegal by tissue.
From 2 years ago.
From Senegal by tissue, you just disappear, girl. You know you work out with me?
Let me tell you this. After me putting me all in a you, me wash, cook and clean, me do everything. Me scrub all your foot, then me give a massage, warm meal in a bed, everything. And me go road, still me and girl even fight and them never run down and shop go by tissue. And when me over there by the tissue, me never know there's so much girl you have with me and give me bun and this me a road.
No. I know me. I rank somebody. I rank somebody. I can't me. I know me I own the Rasta Lane, you know. I know me. Somebody know where you gone, where they right now. Come here say fight.
Me look for myself now. Me waiting. Me know so you gonna road. Me going and cut my things. Them in a rubbish bag and cut, you know. Cause me in a foolishness where you in, you know.
See you really do this to me purposely? For purpose?
If anything, me not see. You know think they not show me one video where you tell your friend know how much woman you have and your woman and you have pity and naggy and this and that and me see everything.
Jody,
believe of yourself. Come like a little say them after you. Me not can notice you come.
I remember go wash off. past that stage already and you could have carry back a change come give me. You understand? Because I tell you, say if you spend $100 out of $500, you're gone with the whole $500. What me do? Eh? A good thing say for me look needs come here vex today and dash $100 back for me. That's what I can get for do what I do. Come on, understand?
She dash back the $100. $1,000 you did say, so oh you take the $100 and you did want me take the $1,000 from her.
I don't understand what you say. What you say? You $1,000 I just say a while ago.
But tell her say you say later she carry the $100.
$1,000.
No, I'm $100, $1,000. So oh you
Yeah,
take $100 from her.
$1,000 I say you're not hear good. Sitting wrong your ears. When last I put Q-tip in the ears and clean out the ears wax. And clean the wax out your ears.
When last I get a tissue for water bottom instead of going to the river.
No, you know, I trouble you, Jody.
No worry, mister. I use that $200 and pay my fare and run me. Me not come back until I start out your life, you know. And no, I see why you never want to go in a church because you have a bag of woman them out there.
No, don't say that, George. Baby, yeah, come home, no man. Come back.
Listen to me. I'm not coming back home. I only coming back home one. Me tell you, I can only come back home when you decide so you're going to give your life to God and you're going to change and have a one bag of woman in my yard. Because me not tolerate you with the one bag of woman, you know.
All right.
You have to put yourself in church and then I'll come back home.
All right, you're right. I know woman, I lie them a tell for me. Anybody who has me a bag of woman, I lie them a tell. Woman, them just like in my company. And some of them like to sleep over. And when it's...
If picture them, I see I rub down woman and I kiss woman or something.
What?
I see a picture of them.
I know me. Me thirst and me only Rasta man. Because them say them have one brother and they look just like a me, you know. Me think say that go on and it circulate on WhatsApp and social media. I know me. You understand me I say?
So are you twin brother then?
I know. Me don't know if I twin or me a jacket or me don't know what. But sitting there go on. But listen me I say to you. What you sound like up your grandma here?
Yeah, me up on my granny because she not do me what you do me.
So, you come down soon?
I will think about it, you know, but you have to promise to say I will change.
I'm going to change, man. I change already.
Because, you know, you're lucky for me, I'm going to church. Because one time when me bad road, you know, me walk with all my acid and burn up girl, you know.
No, I don't bother with that. But as I say, I change already. I bathe and I change. So, I cleaner now. You understand? Yeah, me done.
You call me now and beg me to come on. Why you never tell me, say, the girl when me beat down at the shop, she and her sister come to me.
So that me I try to tell you now, but me can't get up on your phone. Look how much time I try to call you. Eh? How much time I call you?
Tell the girl and her sister said don't make me fuck them, you know. Cannot be
Yeah,
making me change. Them can't do me and beat me, go and beat me. Come it now, go happen.
Alright, my honey. You so sorry, come back tonight, here. Because I'm tired of bed by myself.
Oh, so are you going to come to me?
Yeah, man. I'm come for you. Me come for you. Yeah?
Alright, darling.
Alright, honey. I love you, yeah?
Love you too.
Alright, see me ugly niece come on the road there. Amanda. Me don't know what she want.
No give her no food or nothing. Amanda only a walk and use the family.
And I beg people. It's alright. It's alright.
Yes,
Later, baby. Love you, yeah?
Love you too.
Alright, cool. How you want now?
I can't me a chat on phone.
Chat on phone like so. How make you feel like it's so important for me to talk to you about
Because we know my family member them stay. Anyways, another.
You're guilty. When people guilty then go on, so you walk up on me, you know say me head chip sometime. Eh? Where you come talk about me talk about you? Eh?
I know for you one head chip sometime. Anyways, that we come here so far.
You come up as a short man.
Squash that. No, I'm not coming to the shop, but you raise the vest, so I show you some raise mine too. Anyways,
we talk.
I'm coming so far. As you know, well, it's supposed to spread. My sister put me out. How is that funny?
I know your sister put you out, and you put out yourself and your sister
anyways.
What do you mean anyways?
Me never come here so me just come here so
you come here shout. You come here, raise your hand and I swing me off with the gestures. Make it seem like, say, hey, let me tell you this. Me's a big man, you know. I'm in a little pitney business.
And me's a big man, you know.
Who a big man?
So me how old?
Just because you just bust out a teenage life. And you feel you're a big man? Eh?
I'm a big man. Anyways.
What you really want? Talk fast and go on. Because right now, I'm just talking
As I was saying, because cut long story short, I want you to put me up.
Huh?
Huh?
Put you up
Me
on the
not-
wall and kick you over. I must that you want me to do. You
not-
want to come on my yard, come do what?
You don't take life serious.
Take life serious, and you not take life serious. Alright, why you don't go back to your sister's yard
Me just a come Friday.
and watch you know why you down there?
No.
So what you think me go want you up here? You do what? Drive me crazy. When Jody come now, Jody think say, what kind of lifestyle me I live and all these things. People in my yard that smoke and all these things. My Jody is a Christian, you know. And
Your
if
Jody
she
is a
know
Christian.
say
Your Jody is a Christian and she a fight?
no, well, so when Jesus, when I walk with his disciple them, and Peter cut off the ears of, eh?
I know Jesus.
You don't know about the Bible, you know, so don't do that with me. Don't go Bible.
You see what me I talk about though? That's why me like come to Uno family member, you know.
What means I come to
Can
your
you see
family
Uno
member?
family member though? You know what? You gonna put me up on that. Cause me not really in a long talking.
You have money?
What if you do? Sell?
Me not say for sell. Me ask you a question. You have
Okay.
money?
How much money?
How much, so how long you plan to stay? Like first thing. You need to know that.
1 month.
Huh? Like what?
1 month until we find somewhere to live.
Alright, here what I'm going to do for you. I do a deal. I give you a deal breaker. See? $25,000.
For what?
You stay at my yard for 1 month.
Me what?
Me don't know if me or nothing, you know.
Me what?
Me say me don't know if me or nothing like first.
Yeah, me uncle.
Me not
And
sure.
you want 25,000 from me.
Alright,
Just
what
because
you-
me want.
So much you can afford to spend them.
Yeah,
Where your
1
budget?
month.
Where your budget? Because I know say you're a girl what enough time you bingo, you know. And when you bingo, you just gone back in the street. But me I say, what go on? I need benefits if you go stay me here for 1 month. How you go? Talk to me, man, and stop wasting my time. You want
You
to
see, if you want 25,000, ensure say the room where you give me have AC, including fan. You have everything in there what me need, and me not uncomfortable. That will work the 25 grand. If for that, you gonna get 15.
You take drugs before you come up here. You sniff something.
Me look like me dep on drugs.
Always.
Me not take coke.
But it is so and so. Alright, you want to go on. Since I say yeah. You see, by tomorrow morning, you give me $10,000. So we can use the $5,000 as a balance for just in case. So you do what you do. See? And then
You look like me dep on the bridge.
well,
You look like me work on bridge.
you might have to go up on the bridge tonight and make that the money there and carry back, and then you do what you have to do. Go on over there, sir. Over there, sir. Go on, go on.
You know what I say? I just become want a place to stay though.
Yeah.
Else if I would have sent you, a God alone could have come down from above and tell me not to. Me go about my business.
I bet some of them make you stay in my place, dirty rat. Eh? Sewer rat. Eh? Something going with you, man.
Mean to God, you come over here and you make food and you give me some.
Cause what go on?
What's your boy?
Me,
Me there.
me see you calling about another this fire give me.
What boy you bright thing when you call this with a big belly? Don't do that.
Hello, listen to me, I say calm down yourself, cause I know for your secret, you know. Me know for your secret, you know, bother with me, you know.
Secret, you know, boy. Where you
Cause
about me?
tell the crosses if you come out here,
Why
yeah.
do you head and change the shot and take a...
Cause me say tell the crosses if you come out here, yeah.
No, listen.
Hey, why you about me?
Alright, sit down, Sean.
I don't see you call me, boy.
No, why you so
Why you
fussy,
about
bro?
me?
No, me have to just tell her my mind. Cause me see her on the road and I don't like her.
Hey,
Yo,
don't
listen.
talk over my food too. Why?
Alright, don't Sean.
Right,
Don't
no. Hey, listen to me. Don't come about me.
So you say I go on now, cause.
No, I'm come out now, no grass.
Sean, me go call her
No, girl,
later.
don't come about me.
Me go call her later.
Or
Yeah,
the hookworm.
Alright, yeah, look. Listen, you come like you're a weapon that farm against me, you know. Because you tell me say you want somebody. And me
But me no want hookworm. I see that? Me no want she. You
I
can't
know
give me
she,
see.
you chat too much,
Me
man.
no-
If
no,
I
you're
did she
talking.
would have tell her say she, but I know she.
No, you
You
talking.
know say
So
a
what
brown
is it?
one you want.
What should it?
You know say she own one club door.
What this man?
And she say for your money if it taller than fear. And you broke pocket like a one. Me tell her say you have money, you have money, you have dry shit
So
in your
that you
bag.
really go tell the girl?
No, me tell the girl say you have money.
Oh, then that I me a look boat.
I lie, me lie for you, know.
I me a look
So
boat.
guess what? You see 7 grand where you say you go put on the money. You have to go drop something more on you, know, cause
And 2 grand more on.
you're mad! Want 10 more thousand on you and you go on with her. Hey, if you not give me that the money there. I go down there go tell the girl say
I
money.
me a look boat.
You look about it?
I try sort out
Alright.
it still.
So she
So when
say
we can see her?
she say you can see her this evening.
So you didn't tell me about that for a long time and me go.
I told them me
fix
talk
up
to
my
you,
hairstyle
girl.
and then the style there.
Why
You didn't tell
rough?
me.
You want a woman and you don't look good. I love face one scrub. We bump them in your face and bust.
So she can't do all of that?
As what? A hot girl that you know. I mean know you see how Shan just disgrace her. And what's than that
No, she can't disgrace me. I mean, medieval pay that man.
So how you go look for your woman and your head look so?
Or yourself, man. I go fix up it.
How you fix up here?
I go deal with it. Just know some I go deal with your thing. No, I don't know.
How when?
No, I'm so link
Then
you
I
back
can't see
on.
woman today. You the crazy?
Alright, me go over my yard and come back.
Me I come with you.
Come back.
Cause you will trick me.
So you don't believe so me care back your money can give?
Alright, give me your phone and more lamp on you.
So me go make call for my phone.
Listen, give me your phone and more lamp on you. Me have to have something hot. How name? Hostage.
Yo, that's
Come man.
Cause that's 40.
Alright,
give me back my polo shirt and me care over my hand.
You want to start this with me? You want to
Come,
start this with
no,
me?
no, easy.
Alright then,
No,
come.
easy.
You want to go for it for you?
No, come on.
Me go for it, you know?
Come on, fee money. Come on, fee money. Don't bother with that.
Come
Like
on,
me a
man.
look boat. Come
Yeah,
on,
come
like me a
on.
look boat.
I say, girl, you know what I want to see her alone. What you tell about the bartender? Say, girl, you have to go let her go. The girl nasty, so top her so. Sis, me not tell herself like a girl.
You know, so if I see her come, me just corner her, you know. Corner her from road through this, you know. And so if I see her come, me say, it's a problem, sister, this may have a come.
No, sis.
One problem. Like when me did a band, mommy do something wrong, but me don't know if I jack it or something, you know, but me don't understand why you come. Where say girl?
Sis, you ever try to disrespect me? Me not. Sis, me I tell her what good for your business, girl. The girl nasty. So, you want inspector to come inspect your place and say your place nasty and lock you down. And you're dead. And we dead for hungry.
But you know, sis, I true, you know, a girl nasty.
That
You know, they use condom now, you dash down.
He nasty than that.
Cause what you know, imagine me bar, me club and me bar in one. You want to go look on this right now?
Dirty.
Some back when the top fire, so to bombard, and I want to see them.
And then he say, man, boy.
You want to see
You
them?
know how you do it?
Boy, and from when him be a face, him a face himself with me and I run, me go run him, you know. Oh.
Sis, boy, you no learn too, you know. Me been a tell yourself like a girl. You must know you go work it.
So, how you come from that run, if you can't tell me?
Then I must say, no long one while you alone.
Here we go now. Because some of the time I'm busy, you know. Some of the time busy, I'm want you to oversee.
You want me in charge?
Me get one, listen, no. You know, listen, you know.
Me a listen.
And that is the problem between me and you, know. Me listen, but you no listen. The problem is, me get one bartender. I'm a friend. Basically, real friend, best friend, everything in that one. But here I go now. It's like before she come, want you to come like check if everything alright. And there's when she there, I can check if everything good same way. Because some of the time I have to run go up on the road.
I hope you no nasty too.
I never get
I hope you no nasty.
So anyways, I cook.
Anytime you there mix up a go on. Even bossy what?
You come go here later.
Yeah, go on. Mix up like. Bossy what?
Take a sit down, take a seat. I work you come.
Yes. I could do somewhere else me I go.
And look so.
Yeah.
Shanice.
Me there behind the counter, they bad not to see me.
Other problem I have with you, you know.
What problem?
This is the problem that I have with you.
Let me turn around, because this need a good seat.
You don't have no manners. And you feel like you're more pepperish than nobody else. You don't have no manners. Hey,
You have manners?
Hey, let me tell you something.
No,
you
you
know.
have manners.
Listen, let me tell you something. You see the lifestyle that when me see you live, it not gonna work right or so. Because
Me can't carry go somewhere else.
me feel like you don't know who you are dealing with.
I feel like I glass of fool today.
Me feel like you don't know who you are dealing with. So me take off the glass there.
No.
And a glass
no.
of fool me.
I mean, you come
You
out.
can't just like this come my business place.
Why not? Yeah, get your money though.
Let me ask you one question. Why my place look so?
Cause me never know no cleaning vibes.
Why? You never know what?
No cleaning vibes. Me never come see you clean. Anyways,
walk off from business.
Mama, fire me?
Walk out from business.
Pay me.
Pay what? Pay
No!
what?
I could have never fire the plan to fire me.
Pay what? Fire me, I fire you. Me, I fire you. Like how you see some people. Hey, let me tell you something.
Pay me then.
Pay what?
Alright, if you know what
Girl, go on and check your account by later. You don't have no manners.
Oh, now you're speaking.
You can't deal with a place like this. You can't move so nasty, brother.
You see, if me did come
I
get
be
the
a
place
ginger
clean,
player,
would I leave it clean. The day when me come here, Maggie, me wipe out later. Yeah, you mix up, sister come near me out.
You just see your wipe out the Maggie chili favor you.
I go on Pinky.
Hi there.
So I go on fish shop and out meet.
You're blind? You don't see your shop lock. It's too early.
Too early for a drink. Alright, me come here for drink, you know. My girl up in the shop, brother.
Me say shop lock. Where you come here so with yourself, I come tell me to up in the shop.
More rum for brother, more rum for drink right now. Up in the shop. Watch out.
What could I cause this?
So no money they make.
Why you come here so I kill up yourself so far?
Me just only found a rum bar and that one they lock for me. Me want to come and fear rum bar next, brother. Come have a drink up in the shop. Where they wait pan? You know up in the shop?
Me don't ready for up in the shop yet.
Cause why?
The bartender not reach as yet.
So you know for your place or for your business place, me have a drink.
I don't ready because me now grow on a counter. Me dey pan leaf now. Me now grow on the counter.
So come go around the counter. Up in the shop. Me
You
go
know
around the
hear me
counter.
say? I want to you. Anyway you drink, me go back up there.
No, sir, they so lucky. Yes, so me come for have a drink now.
Well, wait with me. I might go for
So all the shop can't now you tell me
so piece of me everyone that's a heap up food and girl.
So say you deal with the customer. So you tell me say for wait. Me sooner than I wait. I know the shop can't now.
Because it's like you know understand me say me not ready for up in the place yet. It's too early. See a little money is nothing.
How you know say my money
a little
little?
flask you want come buy is nothing.
How you know say a flask
you
want
say
come
my
buy?
top shot and reach 9 night. At this so. Open up the bar.
Okay, top shot and reach 9 night up not bar. So for me money and for me little flask so me I come buy and nothing. Alright, Pinky, have a wonderful day. Me I find somewhere else. Take care of yourself, sir.
Okay, me can't believe you and boy like I'm not on myself in a coffee. What a piece of junkie. Watch out. Oh yeah. Watch out. Oh, no, that's not me yard. I mean, when the police come question me.
You alright, yo?
Skirmish.
Yeah, deal with.
Not there, man.
One cut boy, no.
Man, the school, man. Everything live?
Yeah, man. Right now, you know, say I only somebody me can check to help me with anything.
A real talk, man.
Cause you know, say other day, yo, I have to respect you, say other day you help me run out the girl. Yeah, me I tell you, say, yo.
That, man.
Yeah, man, me I tell you.
Yo, that girl in morning, me I tell you, say, yo.
What do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, make it talk, so.
You know, say, right now, Marika look a nice browning for me.
Hmm?
What you mean?
Well clean.
Well clean.
Alright.
So right now, me I tell her say the girl is a high class woman, you know. And Marika tell her say my money tall. And remember say me nah have money, me broke already, you know.
So,
So right now, me I wonder what me fi do, but I said me can link you about.
yeah, what you calling me about?
You can lend me a money.
Alright.
Till on weekend or next week, so.
How much money? Like $1,000?
What kind of $1,000? $1,000 can go link them the rich girl there. $1,000 just to pay me fear go over there. What you talk about?
Alright, so.
A 50 grand me I look for
50
borrow.
grand?
Yeah.
50.
50,000.
50.
Yeah, 50. You have to
Alright.
go over there well chop up, man.
Alright, you where you go though? I wish day I plan to go over there.
Alright, no more than want to go over there.
Right now?
Yeah, I me I look bored.
Alright.
I might have me go over there tomorrow still, because I have to clean off, you know.
No man, check her today man.
Check her today.
Check her today. Alright, here we are going. Wait for me here, sir.
You carry 50,000 come give me.
Right, sir. Don't move. See?
Alright, me are there, sir, wait.
Don't move.
I believe in a year,
What you mean?
you always deal with things for me.
Up and running.
Style me, you know.
No man, let's find something. Yes sir, don't move. Yeah?
So how long me wait for you?
I me a walk. I me a try to start out.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Me are there, wait for you.
So just wait there, sir. See?
You sure I'm not style there?
Style for style man. School man.
Me there, say here.
Alright, don't move.
Alright.
Yes, you. You look at all man before time. You look at type Edgar. Why you have to go to the woman and tell the woman say the shop never clean? The one night me go in junk. You go to the woman and tell the woman say the shop not clean. Though. So you walk and beg, you want me walk and beg too.
I mean, you really
yes,
come
you
out.
me come out.
Don't know, little girl. I mean, you really.
Are you me come out all before time?
I could never me come out because see like how you treat my sister shopper, so you treat the place and I so under your tree.
Mama, don't worry about underneath me. Don't worry about my yard.
Don't
The one night me go in junk.
Oh, say you come and my sister place come clean, Magija. You are only Magija the girl.
Mama,
are you are only Magija the you me look.
Me not come myself too, you know.
You can't no argument with me.
Me just want to tell you, sister said me say. Me make sure.
No, you don't tell my sister say. You go to my sister yourself.
No, about this your proof, girl. Of course. About this your proof,
girl.
Yeah, too much in my face.
Piece of girl.
Come on, girl, that man. No, if you're a big woman, you're very immature. Bye. I never come here to
no, girl, if you stand up and argue, how she go? Girl, me go walk you down. Where are you going?
Boy, I know me can't see.
That's right. You just did not complain.
Oh. So, what you know? Everything neutral, man.
You know, some go home and think about you and me I say, the bar work could have been a good thing. Oh wow.
So, joke you make?
No, no.
I run it there and I'm out with me. Girl, me say, from you see me ya so, before the bar even up in the nose, I don't know, joke thing me dey pan, you know.
Me understand, man. But me there so, that means I'm interested.
Yeah, say if you talk, man, you talk like you're not interested. You know, like,
Me never say I'm not interested.
You can't say then sitting there, boy, you think. You know, if you think about it, remember, say you tell me, you know. And I'll fire a little nasty girl, you know. One little ginger fly girl, me fire, you know. The girl nasty, me say some back around there, so then long far around there, so come straight down there, so. To a girl nasty. Eh?
Who got clean
You don't
up?
worry about that, man. We'll get one little stacky and pay man 2 bills make him clean you up.
Oh no, you're
Cause some
talking.
stacky ever they passing on them glad for 2 bills and 1 bill. So
But-
you don't worry about that.
I know why you worry yourself, you know, because I got your back, you know. Me there for you. I tell you something, I go come in, see me drop in. But sometimes people have second thoughts about things, but I life. All of we are human.
Second thoughts you talk about.
You know, understand me, I say, when me tell you a while ago, say, me did I think about it, me did have second thoughts. But
Same
now
thing.
me I say a good thing.
Same thing. Then like when you get second thoughts, when you're there on the work, I'll chip your head go chip.
My
And
head
the
now
second
go
thoughts
chip.
go tell us if you left my place. Half of me run the nasty girl. I'm not telling you no. In good for the business, me not telling you no lie, but I just one problem I have with her, she just nasty and you don't have no manners and I can't. I don't like people face you than me. It not gonna work. I don't like people going them want me. Worse when they even look good.
But anyway, when I say bar open now,
Alright, so my timing from 3 to 4 a.m.
4 a.m. what? From 3 to 4?
From 3 p.m. to 4 a.m. is a club me I run.
4 a.m.
So if you feel like you're tired, some of the time me can just shout my sister and my sister just go and fill in for you.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plus my sister she love the club business, you know, so she go there all the time.
That good man a normal pre-family. Well, some family are crosses, some family good.
The one no crosses door.
No, I never say sister across this. I say some crosses. You understand?
Yeah, man, my sister good man. My sister good.
But
One sister that me love to me heart, no. But her fierce, no. But anyways, my friend. One day thing. There's a wait for someone to pick me up.
alright, no problem. That's a 50.
Go with my sister keep an eye on you know. Something boy. Why look dirty man there to come pick me up, man?
Go on.
There, no puppy that dog. Where are you with me, dog?
You know, say, for my boy, me there, I wait for.
Which boy?
For my cousin, man.
Oh,
Carry
come here
one
and say
50
when I
popcorn,
get
give
pitney, you chat about boy. Who that?
You don't know a public man, Rasta Bridge in there. I want 50,000,
What
me
pub-
wait for the thing, come give me. So I'm going over and yard feet, and me I wait for.
No, say me see while I go down the road, but me not sure if I that the public there now, you look. Tall,
You know, one black shirt.
black shirt,
Rasta public, man.
Rasta public. Well, I know my business that. Me not business with that.
Where say you see? No, but I didn't go, man, if you see him down the road.
Me say me see the man down the road, where they tell me
Me
say.
say I can't hear me see you out. I tell
Some
me,
of
I
that.
tell you out.
Me
Man
see
saying
public down the road, brother, where they tell me say. You know a reason with yourself. You can't reason with it. Look come more.
Alright. Public! You! Cuz boy!
Jesus. Pinky, more rush go up a yard go lock up my window them because me never sure what time I lock on something. And I don't want rain come down and
Which
wet up
like
my
you
bed
away,
and
she
something.
say total foolishness. At the club me want to open up so to make me know where they pan. Listen to me, you know. But with the styling thing, you know. They say if I styling thing and they pan, they will let me down. Tell me from now.
Girl, me and you, how much years me and your friend for?
You pack out the thing long time. You pack out the things them.
Then now when me in the cell, do you think I argue me and argue?
Yo, just hurry up and come back. Cause right now, if place needs to open up, one of my friends they come here a while ago demands me and sitting.
Me soon come back. Me not take long, me a go and run, come back. Me say no far me live, you know.
Do what you do, man. Just don't style me.
Me not style you, man. Stop behave so.
Go on, do what you do.
Alright.
Time of day I start chat, I could have done take up the seat, let me know. Oh no, my sister did. Even a car she was their money I don't know.
Sexy, what go on?
Me there, wow.
There, man, you just dash a party so I can't see you.
No, man, I don't say me dash a party.
Son Christian. Gone in a church.
No, sir. They good though.
No good, I can't see you.
You know, say, me I work at one bar now.
I lie.
Yeah.
Which bar that?
Pinky. Pinky, don't
No, a Pinky bar?
Yeah.
Like you, I work down there.
Me no get a job yet. Like, I hit me I go look boy now.
I tell you look boy.
Yeah. I get
So you down there tonight?
Yeah, I don't them go there tonight.
I have to forward down there tonight. Man, if I work down there, I captain locker. I did it every night. I did it every night.
Nah,
Come keep your company.
You're not changing now?
Nah, change.
You need to change.
No, I don't need to change.
But I don't them go there still.
Yeah, forward me soon. Forward me, I go be there and come down there.
Alright, no rest.
I have a drink the whole time, see you.
Yeah, man. Alright. Big up yourself.
Tonight.
Where you say I go now? Huh? Which bar? Pinky bar? Alayatel. I told them I go down there and I look at job, you know. It look like a side she take. No man. Me I go down there, yes, cause me don't believe you. But me not go down there for worry nobody. Listen, me I go see if I side she take. Cause me go down there. And me go down there today and she go there today and she get it and me not get it. No, sir. Me have to go hold a fresh car with me. Me I smell myself. Me I be every 2 days now. Yeah, me get them today. No, me want to go check for myself. Alright then. Me I go see for side. Car. Me go there, me not get here and she get it. No.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. the beer not the right. She a bubble for me right. Cause she know the kiss them alright.